My name is John Urbanowitz, and I work here at WCA Retail as a computer technician. Now, if you've ever bought a standard 42U rack, you've found that it's probably a challenge to get it through a standard sized doorway. You may have to tip it, lift it, and then stand it back up to get it through. This may become a challenge when your rack is fully loaded with servers and equipment. That's why WCA Retail developed the 37U rack with its custom rack pallet system to get around this challenge. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, WCA Retail's 37U rack can fit through a standard doorway on its pallet and a pallet jack without having to be removed, tipped, or any heavy lifting required. As you can see, this particular rack is also populated with networking equipment and servers to make your on-site installation easier. Now we're going to remove the rack from the pallet. First, we'll remove the 4 wing nuts. Next, we'll remove the ramp from the pallet. We'll align the 2 locating screws with the holes in the pallet. We'll remove the block located in front of the rack. We'll loosen and remove the shipping strap. And now we'll remove the 37U rack from the pallet. It's advisable to have an additional technician help you remove the rack from the pallet. And it's as easy as that. WCA Retail's 37U Systems Rack is a perfect fit for the back office at your retail locations, corporate satellite offices, or any small office. And don't worry, if 37U isn't the size you need, WCA Retail specializes in custom designed products and would be happy to discuss other sizes and options your business requires. Please contact WCA Retail for more information or to place your first order.